What's up, my boys?
What up?
Today we are gonna bake our own pastéis de nata. That's why we are gonna take our car to Joen's favorite place on earth.
Can you smell this? It's the smell of Colombo.
So the reason why we are going to Colombo is actually to go to Continente because there is a bunch of baking stuff that we don't have at home because I never bake, I only cook.
Full disclosure, we are not experts at this. This is our first time trying it.
Pinzel di pastelaria.
Those are the one I wanted.
Corto, that means fat.
I think this is proper butter.
What do we need more?
Asciuga di confiterio.
Nothing calms the blood pressure like a trip in Colombo.
We just had to ask a Portuguese woman and she said that this was good to make pastéis de natas with. Yes, baby.
Necesitamos farinha.
Hello, hello.
I'm a loser, baby, so why don't you kill me?
I found it.
1.5 hours later, this was like a yoga session, like meditating on a mountain in Nepal.
Welcome to your favorite cooking show, the Danes in Portugal.
If you want to know how to make the best pastel de nata, you can follow the recipe in the description below.
So we are gonna start with the actual dough.
It's gonna be dough.
290 grams of flour. Pink salt. A little bit more than 2 deciliters of water. I have a confession to make before we really start this. I really hate baking, but I'm gonna enjoy today.
I don't wanna work no more. Amalie, should I try?
You are such an alcoholic.
Why not just have a little taste?
First we need to work, and then when we wait for the dough, we can have one.
I just went to Colombo. That is a lot of work.
This dough is fucking sticky, okay? So, sorry for the swearing. I'm gonna try and shape this into a square, like that. I hate this. Put it in here. So now this puppy is ready to rest for 10 minutes.
Before it's going to Colombia.
Now, Joen, you can have a sip of the liquor. This tastes like koldskål. This is super addictive.
I mean, it's not something I would get drunk in. Well, maybe. Quick verdict. It won't exchange the pastel de nata anytime soon.
No. The dough has been resting now for 10 minutes and now it's time for us to roll it. And that's what you should do, Joen.
Well, that is how I roll.
Cocaína.
You gotta dust your, what do you call it? Roller?
That looks wrong.
Oh yeah, they see me rolling. But one thing there's an issue now is that you got so much flour on top, so you wanna remove it. I feel like I'm looking for bones.
So we found this very old pastel de nata.
So the recipe that we found said that you need to use unsalted butter, but we are not gonna use unsalted butter. We are gonna use half unsalted and half salted butter.
Big mistake. Big. Huge.
And by the way, it has to be super, super, super smooth. So the reason why you do this is to get it super crusty. I'm gonna pour it over here.
It's like a kitchen cloth.
Now we are gonna do it all over again. I'm very excited this is gonna succeed. Buttery, 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 buttery. And now we are ready to roll for the last time. That's how I roll.
If you think that Amalie should have her own cooking show, leave a like. If our comment gets 500 likes, Amalie, she will make her own food vlog. When we are done with these pastéis de nata, we are gonna go give them away to random people on the street and get their verdict.
It has to be smooth. Yeah. No, not back. Kom frem af. Jo, det er sindssygt vigtigt.
Du gør det, så. Nej, men
Jeg filmer. We are so ready to roll this puppy, and the most important part is that you roll it super tight. And again, I just want to remove a bit of this. This is the dough.
It looks dope.
There it is. These are gonna rest again, this time for at least 2 hours. Actually, the best thing is to make it like 1 day in advance.
In advance?
Advanced?
How do you think it's going so far?
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I just hope it's gonna be good.
You're like an athlete.
So today it went pretty good in the beginning, but then I messed up with the dough, and then...
In our favorite Lisbon neighborhood, Camp de Ric, we bought this bottle of French natural wine. Sorry to all the Portuguese nationalists out there. Also, French wine and pastel de nata. It's globalization. Oh. This is the best wine glasses in the world.
Yeah.
Literally ranked. Wow.
Like, it just smells like nature.
I remember she said...
You can feel the rock, you can feel the rain, you can feel everything.
So we are actually ready to go and prepare the nata magic.
But what about the wine?
Cooking and drinking is the best combination ever.
Okay.
We are gonna make the nata. Nata. 40 grams of flour in a big black bowl. It doesn't have to be black. And then we're gonna pour 50 milliliters of milk. Whisk it. Hi, baby. Sounds like when you was in the bathroom. I am gonna heat this up in the micro oven. This has to go to the boiling point, and the milk has to go just before the boiling point. So you have to keep an eye on both, just in case.
You're stirring up a riot.
So I'm gonna add in a little bit of vanilla extract.
That's exactly what you need to do.
Yes, I'm so afraid of this. So this is so annoying. Look how pretty she is. On the recipe it says about this size per piece. But seriously, look at this. You can see all the layers. And these puppies are going right into the molds. So I'm just gonna set them aside, and then I'm gonna do this. Because this mixture right here is now cool enough for us to put in the egg yolks. So I'm just gonna mix the egg yolks really, really fast.
I'm getting increasingly excited.
So I'm gonna put the cream, the nata, the custard into this, and I'm gonna use this because the egg yolks that I used had a lot of leftovers, or like small bits. So the recipe says that you have to push it down, then you're gonna create a little cup here. And this is super difficult for me.
Can I try?
Yes, just grab one and then try.
Do you think that when they make them at restaurants, they do this manually?
Yeah, but I think they do like bloop, 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 done.
It's beautiful.
And not all the way, stop. Only 2/3 of the...
Okay.
Very important. So we are gonna put these puppies in the oven, which is super hot. This doesn't fit.
These are mine. This is very exciting.
Now, we just have to wait for 15 minutes.
Can you imagine if the pastéis de nata are just amazing, like genuinely amazing? That would be so funny. Woo!
They are not pretty. This looks like when you buy some pre-dough in the supermarket. I'm just not satisfied at all. First of all, let's say that these pastéis de nata is not some of those that ranks very high on the aesthetic. I would give them a 1. And I want to say that on one of these, the one that I made, is actually some really nice layers here.
Bravo!
But I mean, it's all about the taste, so
Yeah.
let's do this.
Are you ready?
Yeah. No?
I'm so...
Me too.
You want to hear the crunch factor? Should we just start out with the taste? 2 out of 5?
1.5. I want to give the nata a 4 because the nata actually is good and the taste of the nata is good.
But it's not awful. It's crispy.
To be honest, I don't think we should go to the street with these because these, it doesn't look like a pastel de nata. It barely tastes like a pastel de nata.
Amalie, we still have to say, like, would you accept this as a pastel de nata? They have to be Portuguese, the people, so no tourists.
Okay, can we disturb people while they are enjoying coffee?
We're handing out free natas, come on.
Okay, okay.
So we found the first team of Portuguese people here.
It's different? It's good.
You really like it?
But not like
Not
like a
not
pastel
like
nata,
the,
but
I
it's
think
good,
it's the pastry. It's different, no?
What
I
do
think
you-
it's the kind of the pastry. It should be like, it's not a puff pastry. You know the name? We say in Portugal, folhado. Inside is good, maybe a little bit more toasted.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall it's good, no?
So
I think it's similar like a typical tigelada. Sabes o que é tigelada?
Yeah.
It's similar to
Pastel-
another
pastel what?
tigelada.
Tigelada,
It's
okay.
another
typical,
pastry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pastry.
It's similar.
0 to 10, a 7.
Yeah.
Wow, really? Oh, thank you so much. Those guys were so sweet, and I don't know if they were just polite or if they really felt like these was good. I mean, I am starting to feel really proud here. We need to ask a person who knows us and who would be very honest to us. So we are gonna ask our kiosk guy.
So we have one here for you, and
you very
all
much.
we need is a yes or no if this would qualify as a pastel de nata.
Sorry.
It's pretty good,
Yeah?
yes, but it's not a pastel de nata.
It's not a pastel de nata, so it doesn't qualify. Thank you so much.
See you.
You can have the rest if you want.
No, of course I want. It's pretty good, but it's not a pastel
So
de nata.
it tastes good. It
Yeah.
tastes good.
Você gostaria uma pastel de nata? Apparently there's nobody who wants to anticipate anymore. Only the men, no woman wants to anticipate. Anticipate. Participate. We have found these two nice guys and they wanna participate in our pastel de nata vlog. It was hot when we left the door.
Yeah, I believe you. Wait. Okay, it needs to have like more pudding. That's for sure.
It needs
Let
to
me
have
try.
more pudding.
It's too dry.
It's not bad.
Thank you.
No, the only thing is,
No way.
this needs to be made with another dough, like the crunchy one.
Yeah, puff pastry.
Yeah, and it's not bad. It's not pastel de nata. It's not. Can I eat the rest?
I don't like
Yeah,
I
of
don't
course
mind.
you can
I don't
have
mind.
it, of course.
It's not bad.
Oh,
It's not
thank you
just
so
pastel-
much.
It's not pastel de nata,
So
but
it-
it's good.
It tastes good, or
It has no. It is good actually. It
But it's
tastes
really
good.
dry, I can tell, because
It
you're
is so
drinking
dry.
water.
It is so dry. It's crazy.
Next try.
Yeah, we'll try again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yes,
so
good
much.
luck.
I'm thinking that you didn't stretch it that much.
I think I used too much flour in between. I think I forgot to maybe remove all the over
it's
the
like
flour.
too heavy.
Yeah.
Like I did put butter and then I put the dough, I put it out, butter, dough, and I did that 4 times.
Okay.
But every time I poured more flour on top, and I think the flour has absorbed all the fat, so
Okay.
that's probably what went wrong. You don't have to eat the dry part.
No,
just
no,
put it.
I won't. I won't. I won't.
Good.
Wait, that's the last one?
Yeah, that was the last one of all
Oh my god. Okay, so video done.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
now we can
okay.
go
Thank you so
out.
Oh my god. Of course, you're more than welcome. And
Yeah.
you're a subscriber already, by the way.
Thank you,
everyone.
thank you.
Thank
Come
you.
watching.
Of course,
Bye-bye.
no worries.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Bye. You too.
Should we just end it right here?
Yeah.
And thank you for watching our first How Not to Make a Pastel de Nata.
Yeah.
I hope you were entertained at least.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and like this video, and then we'll see you in the next one. Ate loco.
Bye!
Ciao, ciao.
If you want to know how to make the best pastel de nata, you can follow the recipe in the description below.